Okay, I'm going to go back to that same little woodpecker in my feeder. I think he went to sleep. He's been frozen in one position for like a couple of minutes. You see him? He's just sitting in that one position. He's been like that for a couple of minutes. I think he went to sleep. Not moving at all. That's really something. He went to sleep. He hadn't moved for like 3 or 4 minutes now. Well, you know, that suet is what I have out there. It's all that fat and everything. He probably got so much to eat. He's so happy and fed. He just said, I'm going to sleep right here. When I wake up, I'll eat some more. There's something, man. The bird is asleep on my feeder. I want to walk out and get closer, but I'm afraid he'll wake up. Let me see how close I can get. I'm about 5 feet from him. I'm only about 3.5 feet from him. I believe that bird, that woodpecker is asleep on my feeder, and I'm like 3 feet from him. This is a cool video. Nobody's going to have a video like this ever. This is the greatest crowd ever. Spicer. That's my feet. Here's the rail. There's the bird. It's like 3 feet from me. I'm talking and everything. And he just is just hanging there. A bird feeder, a wild bird woodpecker. He's so happy, man. He's had so much to eat. He's just totally conked. Oh, he moved a little bit. Oh well, I guess that's long enough. I get recording for another 5 or 10 minutes, I guess. But I'm getting cold. I'm in a t-shirt. See what I look like. I think he's hearing me now. Oh. Inside, he's probably gonna fly off. Nope, he's still there. I came all the way back to my house. He's still there. I swear he even heard me, even looked at me when I walked off, and he didn't fly off. Man, that is a cool bird, I'm telling you. Anyway, I'm just going to look at him without the phone for a while.